Okay. Alright. That's all you had to say. Uh-oh, what? Something's going on. Something's going down. Something's acting up. Oh, wait. It's Spybird. It's Mommy. Okay, enough kisses. You're supposed to be on the job. Oh, what do you see? Something. So there's something out here, right? Look at that. What do you see? Huh? Right? Oh gosh, I gotta wash the windows. Thanks for reminding me. Ooh, a car. What do you need to say about that? Anything? Hello? Nothing? Okay. That's fine. Oh, got it. Alright, hello. Jimmy, very good, right? Hello. This is awesome. Spybird is making sure all goes well. It's called a windowsill. Yeah. Look. Oh, somebody's coming. Look at you see him? Yeah, somebody's coming. You see him? You hear him? There they come. Spybird is on. Don't pick up dust. Hello. Well, you want that curtain open too? That's okay. I'll open it. Here, look, it's open now. You can go over there too. Yeah. It's okay. Huh. Yeah. Oh, wait. No, not. Don't scold me. Well, I didn't see anybody drive by. Did you see something I didn't? We're getting Spybird on the piece. So awesome. What was that? I didn't hear anything. Oh, there's somebody. Look. There they are. Look at. Oh, somebody's pulling up. No. You're picking up dust. Look at. No. Look at. Somebody's out there and you're not saying anything. Yeah. Yeah. Oh, I just noticed. Okay, well, we're having... Let's watch him. This is great. No, not that. She said what the what, not what the... No. She said what the what. We gotta work on that one. Spybird. Yeah, we definitely do. So, she's gonna get out this car. There. And then you'll say something. Definitely. Yeah, you here. How about you take that window? I'll take this one. Or not. We're just gonna watch. Somebody's parked in the middle of the road. That's against the rules, right? Out. So is that. That's against the rules too. Yeah. Nobody and Mommy. And your partner. And we don't commit crime. Hello! Get out of your car. Huh? Yeah, the car. Because Spybird wants to see you. Get out of the car. They're driving. Hello, they're driving away. Hello. Whoa, what? Oh, look. Okay. Oh, there's something going down. What's going on, Spybird? Well, yeah, that's fine. You can say hello. You can say hello. Yeah. You can say hello. Hi. Oh, it's okay. Oh, you know what? It's probably delivered. They're going away now. It must have been delivered. Hello. It must have been just. Oh yeah, food delivery. That's what happens here all the time. What? Whoa! What? The what? At least you didn't swear this time. Hello. Yeah, people getting their food. That's all. Well, yeah, they have to. Yeah. Did you say for what? Because people have to eat. Hello. Okay. You are awesome. Uh-huh. Yeah, you're my new little best friend. Yeah. You are. You're my new little best friend. Somebody has to... Don't lick boogers. You pick my nose for me. It's not cool. It's totally not cool. Especially on the job. Which is... Yep. And be on the job. So picks noses and swears. This is nuts. Don't say what that was what it was. I promise. No, don't lick it. Yeah, I gotta wash it. I know. Oh my goodness, I gotta wash the windows. Oh yeah. Ah! I hope that was a long hello and not some new word that you learned that means something. I don't know. Hello? Okay, it was hello. We're good. Spybird and I are on the case and off the record. It's alright. Everything is fine, right? You gotta look at it.